Does it seem sometimes that attractive people get all the breaks? If so, your suspicion is warranted. Attractive people benefit from the halo effect. In this video, I'll talk about the surprising science between the power of attractiveness and the halo effect, and talk about how you can apply it in your life. Hi, thanks for tuning into The Persuasive Lawyer. I'm Brendan Lupetin, a medical malpractice and personal injury trial lawyer who is obsessed with the power of persuasion and the surprising science behind what influences us. Please consider subscribing to my channel to get updates on new videos, and if I did a good job, please consider hitting the like button. For those Seinfeld fans out there, the halo effect was the theme of the show's 130th episode, The Calzone. This was the episode where Jerry takes advantage of his beautiful girlfriend Nikki's ability to get anything she wants, including convincing police officers not to give Jerry a speeding ticket. The halo effect, however, is no laughing matter and can have a serious impact on the way a jury sees your client and your case. So what is the halo effect? The halo effect is a cognitive bias in which our overall impression of a person's character is influenced by limited concrete information. For example, they look nice, so they must be nice. This results in generalizing towards a judgment of a person's overall character. As an example, a picture of your client in opening statements smiling while at work would lead a jury toward an overall impression of your client as an entirely good and worthy and hardworking person, despite the fact that at that point, the jury literally knows hardly anything about your client. Do we really judge a book by its cover? The science says yes. The power of the halo effect has been borne out in repeated studies. One study found subjects were more lenient when criminally sentencing attractive individuals than they were for unattractive ones, even though exactly the same crime and facts had been committed. The researchers attributed this result to the societal perception that people with a high level of attractiveness are more likely to have successful futures due to corresponding socially desirable traits. In another study, 60 university students, half men, half women, were given 3 different photos, one of an attractive person, one of an average-looking person, and one of an unattractive person. The results showed that the study participants overwhelmingly believed the attractive subjects had more socially desirable personality traits than either the average or unattractive people. Participants also believed that attractive individuals would lead happier lives in general, have happier marriages, be better parents, and have more career success than the other individuals. Finally, there was a study that found that attractiveness and familiarity are strong predictors of decisions regarding who is put in a position of leadership. Judgments made following 1-second exposures to side-by-side photos of 2 U.S. congressional candidates were reasonably predictive of election outcomes. Attractiveness and familiarity were correlated with competence in this study. Candidates who appeared more attractive and familiar were also seen as more competent and were found more likely to be elected. How do we use the halo effect to our advantage at trial? We as trial lawyers are wise to pay close attention to the appearance and impression our clients give off. There are many simple steps we can take with our clients to benefit from the halo effect, including making appropriate eye contact, dressing neatly and professionally, minding their hair, sitting up, leaning in when speaking, avoiding crossing the arms, and speaking concisely and with the best grammar possible. We should also strive to highlight those aspects of our client's background which not only show them to be good, moral, upstanding people, but that also may specifically connect with jurors. For example, everybody is an animal lover pretty much. So anywhere that you can highlight that your client is an animal lover is likely to connect and attract a lot of the people on the jury. In life, we hear that pictures are worth 1,000 words. In trial, I would say that pictures are worth 1,000,000 words. And so you should work hard to find photographs that exemplify specific positive aspects of your client's life. For example, pictures from work, pictures with family and friends, and pictures of your client participating in things that they're passionate about that a lot of other people would be interested in as well. A great way to figure out how to cast your client in the best light is by showing a short video interview of your client to a focus group or people in your office and asking for feedback. How would you improve this person? What do you like? What don't you like? And why don't you like it? Then go back to the drawing board with your client, explain the different aspects of their testimony or their appearance that you need to work on, and voila, by the time of trial, things are much better and you're going to more likely capitalize on the benefit of the halo effect. Trial lawyer legend Paul Rivera often points out that trial is a battle of impression and not logic. While that may be an oversimplification, there is no question that juries are tasked with making very significant decisions based on very limited information. Because of this, jurors are bound to use mental shortcuts, including the halo effect, to process the information and rationalize their verdicts. Of the various factors jurors consider, the likability of the parties and their appearance can prove critical in close calls. At your next trial, be sure to channel your inner guardian angel and strive to place a halo over your client's head. I'm Brendan Lupetin. Thanks for watching The Persuasive Lawyer.